In this amazing video, you'll learn how to upload SVG files in WordPress. We are going to achieve this functionality using a plugin. So log into your WordPress admin dashboard, hover over Plugins, and click on Add New. Now simply search for SVG Support. And this is the plugin that we're looking for. So click on Install Now, and you can see the plugin rating as well as active installations over here. The plugin is also compatible with my version of WordPress. Once installed, click on Activate. And now let's configure the plugin. To do so, hover over Settings and click on SVG Support. Here you can restrict some user roles from uploading SVG files. You can also check out other settings as well on your own. And once you're done, let's save the changes. And we're going to hover over Media and click on Add New Media File. Now simply select SVG file from your device. And you can see that the file has been uploaded. And this is how easy it is to upload SVG files in WordPress. Before you go, you can also learn how to change page titles in WordPress when using Elementor. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.